Hi guys, we'll, today we'll start VMware Workstation. It is used for tutorials, virtual lab. Basically, it is used for installing in a virtual lab. If you want to create your own virtual lab at your home on your laptop or the PC, this is the important lab for you. You can install VMware Workstation, and inside the workstation you can install multiple virtual machines as per your requirement. So for the installation, just type in Google Chrome VMware Workstation, download, select, and then click on download VMware Workstation. There is two options for Windows and for the Linux, and which one you have, it depends on your. If you have Windows, download Windows. If you have Linux, download Linux. It will be the direct link. If you select on the download starts. I have downloaded. Just I'll go to the software, and in the software, then in a VMware Workstation, it's a simple installation file. Just exe install. Select yes. Preparing for work installation. And I'll provide this link in a description box where you can download directly from there. Wait, installation will start soon. Yes, preparing for installation. Yes, just select next, accept the license agreement, select next, 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 and next. Install. The installation is started. We'll wait till installation complete. It takes minimum 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. So we'll just wait. After installation, ask for the restart. So you need to restart after the installation. The restart will open. You can start now or you can start later, but you have to restart once. So we'll be copying all the files for the installation. Wait as the installation completes. By the meantime, in the installation, I'll show you the keys, because after installation it will ask you to register with the keys. So you will get the key online. This key also I'll give in a description box from where you can download it, or you can take it from there. Any one of the keys you can use it. There are about 12 to 15 keys. So from there you can take any of the keys. So I'll just copy this key, Control C, Windows R. I'll just paste it on pad. So Control V, this is the key. Any of the key you can use it. So it's cleaning up legacy virtual network. Wait for the installation to complete. Installing all the drivers to create a virtual machine over the laptop or your desktop. Yes, it's done. Fine. Yes, it now is asking for the license key. Click on the license, go and just copy anyone. I'm copying this one, Control C, and just paste it here and enter. Finish. Done. Now is installed. Open. See, you can create your virtual machine and you can create a virtual machine here and start the virtual lab. So thanks for the today. For the next lecture, we'll see how to create a virtual machine in the VMware Workstation.